Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT extension on Mac Mini to work with Apple Intelligence. To enable the ChatGPT extension on Mac Mini or on MacBook Pro to work with Apple Intelligence, come to Settings. On Settings, you should see Apple Intelligence, so click on Apple Intelligence. If Apple Intelligence is not enabled on your machine, once you click this, come to this button and switch it on. If it is turned off, you should switch it on. Apple Intelligence is still in beta. This is a personalized intelligence system that integrates deeply into your Mac, apps, and Siri. So let me click Learn More so that we can get more about Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence combines the power of generative models with an understanding of your personal context to deliver intelligence that's useful to you and that's relevant to your own use case. So Apple Intelligence is tailored intelligence to you and what you do on your device. Apple Intelligence is designed to understand and create language and image, prioritize and summarize notifications, mail and messages. Apple Intelligence will draw from the personal information on your device to simplify and accelerate your everyday tasks. Whether you are typing a document using whatever typing tool, Apple Intelligence will help facilitate that process. It does all of this while protecting your privacy. You know, Apple is big on privacy. So to get Apple Intelligence in terms of supported devices, you need to have macOS Sequoia version 15.10 or later. On Mac models with M1 or later, Apple Intelligence is available with Siri and device language set to English in most regions around the world. The basic language for Apple Intelligence is the English language. If you have macOS 15.3 or later, Apple Intelligence is on by default and integrated across your apps. You can also choose to turn Apple Intelligence off if you want. So this is the basic documentation on Apple Intelligence. So I'm going to close this window. For the purpose of this video, I just wanted to quickly show you how you can set up the ChatGPT extension to work with Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is still in the beta format, and this is a personalized intelligence based on your own local system and your own local data within your Mac operating system. To set up ChatGPT to work with Apple Intelligence, come to Settings, Apple Intelligence. If your Apple Intelligence is not turned on, you should switch this to on. If you also want to set up Siri, you can easily just switch this to on and Siri will be on working with your Apple Intelligence. We are trying to set up ChatGPT extension for Apple Intelligence. So here on this menu, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says extensions. Under extensions, you can see that the ChatGPT extension is available. Siri and other features can use ChatGPT to help answer your request. Here I'm just going to click on ChatGPT. ChatGPT, as you know, can help you write text, create an image, answer questions, and even more. If you want to read the terms of ChatGPT, go to OpenAI. You will have the terms available here for you to read and know which terms of use you're supposed to abide by when you're using ChatGPT. We're not going to be reading through the terms and conditions here, but I just wanted to show you that these terms are available so you can come over here and take a look. Our goal is to set up ChatGPT extension for Mac Mini. We're just going to click Setup. When your Mac works with ChatGPT, it can do more for you. ChatGPT integrates with Siri, so it gives you more in-depth answers and insights about photos and documents that are on your Mac operating system. The basic function for ChatGPT is to compose text in writing tools. So with ChatGPT you can create text or you can create images from just a description, and I'm going to show you the image playground for Apple shortly. With the ChatGPT extension, accounts are optional. On this page I'm just going to click next. In terms of privacy and using ChatGPT on your Mac operating system, the Mac works with ChatGPT in a way that preserves your privacy. Privacy is integrated. You're in control, so you decide what gets shared with ChatGPT, and you can turn ChatGPT off at any time in settings. Using ChatGPT with an account. So if you don't sign in to ChatGPT, your requests are anonymous and won't be used to train OpenAI models. with Apple Intelligence. You don't really need to sign in to the ChatGPT app, but if you have an account, you can sign in. If you don't sign in, your prompts are going to be anonymous, and none of that information is going to be used to train OpenAI models. Signing in is also a good thing so that you keep track of your prompts and you can reference them and build on them as you go along. So on this page, you can enable ChatGPT without signing in, or you can use ChatGPT with an account. So if you have a ChatGPT account and you want to log on to that account, you can use this option. Or if you just want to use ChatGPT anonymously with Apple Intelligence, you can just click enable. But if you have an account, either a paid or free account, and you want to keep track of your prompts, select use ChatGPT with an account and then sign in. Click. If you are using ChatGPT paid account or choose to subscribe, Mac can have more access to ChatGPT. With a free account, ChatGPT can keep a history of your requests to inform and improve responses. If you sign in to either a free or paid account, your requests are subject to OpenAI's privacy policy. Depending on your settings, your request may be used to train OpenAI's models. On this page, if you are enabling it using an account, come to this page and click sign in. It will take you to the web browser. Go through and sign in to your ChatGPT account using Google or using Apple. I'm going to cancel and go back. I just want to enable the ChatGPT extension. On here, I'm just going to click next and enable ChatGPT. Now you can see that the ChatGPT extension is turned on. If you have an account, either a paid or a free account, you can click sign in here to get access to more capabilities that ChatGPT paid accounts offer. With this extension, in terms of daily limits, you will have access to ChatGPT's advanced capabilities until you reach your daily limit. Additional requests will use the basic version for up to 24 hours. You can upgrade to the paid version of ChatGPT by using this button. So if you want to upgrade, if you don't have a paid account, or if you want to have a paid account, just click this button and then it will take you through the process to upgrade to a paid account. Siri is also now enabled on this device to use ChatGPT. Siri will always ask you to confirm your request before sending a file to ChatGPT, which is a good thing. This is now set up, so now we can start using the ChatGPT extension within our MacBook Pro. I'm going to close this. So now if I open Pages here, for instance, Pages is the Microsoft Word of macOS. I'll open a new document. Open a blank document. Let me just expand this. Create a table of content for my upcoming lecture in OpenAI. If I highlight all of this now and I click the Apple Intelligence icon, you can see now it is allowing me to describe, actually create the table of content for this. Compose with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT. It has actually created a table of content using the ChatGPT extension that we just installed. Table of content for lecture on OpenAI, introduction to OpenAI, key technologies developed by OpenAI, OpenAI's flagship models. You can see how easy it is to use the integrated Apple Intelligence. To add this to your Word document or to your Pages, you can just highlight this and just copy that into my document. So just copy, and then this will be my table of content for the upcoming project. You see how easy that was. I can keep prompting Apple Intelligence with the ChatGPT extension to actually give me more about this. Up here you can insert media. Let me minimize this. I'm going to show you the new playground that comes with this thing before I go actually using it. If you come to apps, image playground, the interface for the image playground is very simple. So you have this plus icon here, or you have the same plus icon here at the top. To create an image, you just click on the plus icon. You have different themes and different types of images that you can create. If you want to create images of costumes and all of that, so you have different templates here that you can use. In terms of accessories, you also have different accessories that come with the image playground, and you can create images of places using Apple Intelligence. The image playground is still in beta version. To create an image using the image playground, just give it a description. Let's say I want to create an image of an office. I will just say office and then I'll click enter. Now you see it is giving me an image of an office. It has given me different versions of that image, so you can go through and select which one is best for you. This is the image of an office and it has given me different options of that image. So once you have an image like this one, you can click here to copy, or you can share the image, or you can save, or you can report a concern about the created image. So this is how you can create an image using the Apple Image Playground. Once you're done, just click done, and then here is the image that we just created. This is the end of the video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.